Welcome to our channel where we share the best tips for caring for cockatiels. Today, we'll learn how to tame a fearful cockatiel using gentle and effective methods. But before we begin, as always, write in the comments from which country you are watching this video and I will send you a nice gift. Let's get started. Patience is the key. Start by being patient. Birds, like cockatiels, need time to adjust to their new environment and build trust with you. Quiet environment. Ensure that the bird's surroundings are calm and free from noise and sudden movements that may increase its fear. Gradual approach. Avoid sudden movements and approach the bird slowly and steadily, speaking to it in a low and soothing voice. Food as a motivator. Use the bird's favorite food as a motivator to attract its attention and encourage it to approach you. Hand training. Start training your bird to perch on your hand using positive reinforcement techniques such as food rewards. Daily routine. Establish a daily routine for interacting with your bird, which helps build trust and predictability in interactions. Talking and singing. Talk to your bird and sing to it regularly to get it accustomed to your voice and feel safe in your presence. Avoid forcing. Do not force the bird to interact with you, give it time to come to you willingly. Positive reinforcement. Always use positive reinforcement and avoid punishment or shouting, which may lead to a loss of trust. Gentle touch. When the bird becomes comfortable with your presence, you can start gently touching it, considering its reactions and feelings. Understanding signals. Learn to read your cockatiel's body language. If it shows signs of relaxation such as preening or singing, it's a good sign of progress. Playtime together. Introduce games that you can play together. This helps build the relationship and associates your presence with fun. Mutual respect. Respect your bird's boundaries and do not attempt to grab it if it seems unwilling. Mutual respect fosters trust. Consistency. Be consistent in your interactions with the bird. Sudden changes in behavior can unsettle it and set the relationship back. Response to name. Teach your bird to respond to its name. This helps strengthen the bond between you and makes training easier. Bathing. Encourage your bird to bathe in water, as this helps maintain feather cleanliness and can be a relaxing experience for it. Natural light exposure. Ensure your bird gets enough natural light, as it is important for its overall health and mood. Physical safety. Provide a safe place for your bird to hide when it feels scared or anxious. Recognition of sounds. Gradually expose your bird to different sounds to get it accustomed to them and not be afraid of new noises. Celebrating progress. Celebrate every positive step your bird takes. Even small steps deserve praise and encouragement. In conclusion, with these 20 methods, you'll be able to tame a fearful cockatiel and make it a loving and confident companion. We hope you find these tips helpful and that they assist you on your journey with these wonderful cockatiels. Thanks for watching, and remember, patience and love are the keys to success in taming any bird.